To set up Rocket Money bill negotiation, start by visiting the Rocket Money website or downloading the mobile app. Create an account by providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, link your bank account to Rocket Money by providing your account and routing numbers or by using a secure login through your bank's website. Next, Rocket Money will import your transaction history and identify bills that can be negotiated, such as cable, internet, and phone bills. Review the list of bills and select the ones you want Rocket Money to negotiate on your behalf. You can also add new bills manually by providing the bill details and account information. Rocket Money uses AI-powered technology to analyze your bills and identify potential savings opportunities. Their team of experts will then contact your service providers to negotiate lower rates and discounts. You can track the negotiation process through the Rocket Money dashboard, where you can view the status of each bill and the proposed savings. Rocket Money's negotiation process typically takes a few days to a few weeks, depending on the service provider and the complexity of the negotiation. If Rocket Money is successful in negotiating a lower rate, they will take a percentage of the savings as their fee. However, if they are unable to negotiate any savings, you will not be charged a fee. To get the most out of Rocket Money, make sure to link all your bills and provide accurate account information. You can also set up notifications to alert you when a negotiation is complete or when a new bill is due. Additionally, take advantage of Rocket Money's budgeting tools to track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. By following these steps and using Rocket Money's bill negotiation service, you can potentially save hundreds of dollars per year on your bills and reduce the stress and hassle of dealing with service providers. Remember to regularly review your bills and update your account information to ensure you are getting the best possible rates.